Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry values. We'll cover the fundamental trigonometric ratios and their importance. You'll discover an easy method to remember the values for key angles such as 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. This approach will help you quickly recall sine, cosine, and tangent values, making trigonometry much more accessible and less intimidating. Let's get started with the basics. Let's explore a fantastic hand trick to easily remember sine and cosine values. Hold your left hand up, palm facing you. Assign your thumb to 0 degrees, index finger to 30 degrees, middle finger to 45, ring finger to 60, and pinky to 90 degrees. For sine, count fingers below your chosen angle, take the square root and divide by 2. For cosine, count fingers above, take the square root and divide by 2. It's a simple, visual way to recall these essential values. Now that you can find sine and cosine, let's tackle tangent values. Remember, the tangent of any angle is simply its sine value divided by its cosine value. You can use the values you found with the hand trick to easily calculate tangent for 0, 30, 45, and 60 degrees. For example, tangent of 45 degrees is 1. Just be aware that the tangent of 90 degrees is undefined, as cosine of 90 degrees is 0. This makes finding tangent straightforward. Consistent practice is key to mastering trigonometry values. Regularly test yourself on the values for 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. Work through different problems that require you to apply sine, cosine, and tangent. The more you practice, the more natural these values will become. This foundational knowledge is crucial for advanced mathematics and various scientific fields. Keep practicing, and you'll build strong confidence in trigonometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.